everyone, welcome back to the Nairobi Natural channel. My name is Nawekulo. I'm currently doing a box braid challenge to improve my braiding skills while taking care of my natural hair. One of the things I want to learn is how to blend braiding hair for a seamless natural look. Since it's my first time blending extensions, I'm not really sure how the braids will turn out, but in this video I share my first attempt at blending braids. If you're new here and you want to know more about this challenge, I will leave a link of a video in the description where I talk a little bit more about this challenge. Plus, I'll be creating a playlist specifically for this braiding challenge, so you can always refer back to it in case you're interested, or if you're looking for updates, that's where they'll be. For this blending, I used 3 packs of Lush Hair. I bought this Lush Hair from Carrefour, the Carrefour in Surrey Center. I used the shades number 350, number 900 and number 30. Before I started the blending process, I made sure to soak my extensions. If you'd like to know more about soaking extensions, why I soak extensions and how I go about soaking my extensions, I will leave a link in the description to that video. So I started off with 2 of the hair colors, taking half from each pack, and then I placed them in 2 separate heaps. I then stacked one heap on top of the other. After that, I split the combined heap in half, lifted one section and stacked them again. I know there are a lot of instructions that I'm giving, but in the video you'll actually see what I'm talking about. I repeated this process a few times to gradually mix the colors. Once I felt like I was happy with the shade that was created, I introduced half of the 3rd braiding pack, because remember I started off with 2 of the braiding packs. I repeated the same process once again with the 3rd braiding hair until I was happy with how the blend looked. Then I thought I could use a brush to kind of smooth everything together, but as I was doing that I noticed tangles were beginning to form. So I very quickly got rid of the brush and decided to use my hands instead, and I gently raked through the hair to remove any tangles, but also to just make sure everything is smooth. As a first attempt, I'm really happy with results. I will link a short video at the end where I show you what the braids look like in my hair, because I've already installed the braids. If you've blended braiding hair before, let me know in the comments. Do you have any tips? And if you're new to this like I am, would you try this method? If you have any questions about blending extensions or anything that's hair related, you can drop a comment below, or you can actually send me a DM on Instagram. That's it from me, guys. See ya!